Netflix is facing a possible boycott in India over kissing scenes in its series A Suitable Boy. The story is an adaptation of the award winning author Vikram Seth's book. It's a coming of age story about a Hindu woman. At one point, in a secluded spot with a Hindu temple as the backdrop, the main character shares a passionate kiss by a young Muslim man. This has angered the ruling Hindu nationalist Bharatiya Janata Party.
जो पिक्चर है ये बिजनेस वर्क की
This series has been found to have hurt the sentiments of a particular religion. I had asked law experts to assess the content and they confirmed it. A police report has been filed against Netflix authorities.
The series started streaming last month and is controversial for some viewers. Soon, calls to boycott Netflix trended on Twitter. India hosts the streaming giant's main regional production hub, and it has pumped $400 million into the market over the last 2 years. The controversy comes at a time of rising interfaith conflict and government efforts to control online content. Last month, a jewelry ad depicting harmony between Hindu and Muslims was taken down due to a fear of reprisal. Many Indians are worried of fast deteriorating values within the country. Now, some BJP politicians have been floating the topic of love jihad. It's a theory that claims that Muslim men entice Hindu women into conversion under the pretext of marriage. There is little evidence to prove a sinister motive behind interfaith marriages in India, but a state government planned to introduce a law to punish anyone found guilty.
कोई भी love
We are not against love. We are against those who employ love jihad. We are against them. This jihad and terrorism will not work because this is Modi's government.
Netflix has made no comment on the police complaint over the kissing scenes.